This right here was a payment we were sent with Google. If you want to earn just like this, then make sure that you are throughout this whole entire video from start to finish, so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss any important details. Because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired. Now, remember that this method is completely free and it's supposed to be available worldwide. But if there are some complications with barriers from let us know in the comments down below and tell us where you're from too. We want everyone to comment on what country you're from so that we can make more videos based on you guys. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we upload videos on how to make money online, so you can tie them up for yourself and start making your own. If you want to be a part of the shadow, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey and hit the notification. Remember, you can make money today if you take an action. The first thing that we're going to be showing you today is the top tool for earning passive income, which means you won't even have to be working. The money would just be flowing. Second thing, we're going to be showing you 2 highest paying websites for using this tool. The first website we would be showing you would be the lowest paying website. And then the second website will be the higher paying one. So make sure you stay until the end so that you don't miss any of that. So the number 1 tool that you would be using is not the one that's actually going to get you, but it's what you all need to do first in order to get your money-making method started. So go ahead to Google Docs. It's like Microsoft Word, but it's completely free. You can access Google Docs if you have a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, that makes sure that you create one before you start with this whole entire. As you can see over here, we have a noted probe with some errors on them, and the websites that we are about to show you will pay you to fix these errors and correct all of these mistakes. They will basically pay for proofreading, but you will need to do the proofreading yourself. All you're going to do is copy the article, then paste it on Google Docs, and then Google Docs will automatically do all of the corrections for. Okay, now if you go on over here to Tools, go to Spelling and Grammar, and then click on Spelling and Grammar Check. And then you'll see that on the upper right corner here is that Google Docs will scan the whole entire document. And then it will show you what is incorrect or the errors. You can see the first mistake all the way to the line. So per word that you correct, we'll move on to the next mistake, and then to the next, until it says that the whole document looks good. So it does not have any more mistakes and you barely did anything. Now, you're probably wondering, how do we get 4? Now we're going to go ahead and show you the 2 highest paying websites that will pay you to proofread. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell, decide to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video, and if you love it. Now, let's continue. Now, the first website is called proofreadingservices.com. And this is the website where businesses will go to get their articles proofread before they actually publish their articles. And as you can see over here, they've worked with the University of Cambridge, Vogue, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Harvard Pearson. Now what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and then click on Careers, just like what we're doing. And then it should bring you to this page right here. Then of course, since we're focusing on proofreading, you should click on Online Proofreading Jobs right here. Now, this is what you will see next. As you can see, join our proofreading. Okay, competitive pay ranges from $19 to $46 per hour. Okay, this is per hour, depending on turnaround time, with the highest pay for the most urgent deadlines. Okay, now mind you, this is still the lowest paying website, and our next subset is going to be the highest paying one. So you're definitely in Fruit Street. Then you're going to click on this right here, and then you will right away see this Where and Find. a proofreader quiz. Now it's important to keep in mind that this quiz only runs for 20 minutes. So you need to be quick. So just to make sure that you fill up all of the details being asked and make sure that you do this quick. Okay? And then there are 20 multiple choice questions are written, sample some more other stuff to answer. And then once it's all completed and you feel like you're all set to agree on the terms of services and then submit, of course, you'll need to answer all of these correctly in order to pass. And if you don't know where to get the correct answers, we got you covered. Okay, we will be showing you where you can get them right now. We want you to go on brainly.in and then paste your question over here, and then you will find your answer over here. They have people on this website that will answer the questions. Okay, so aside from brainly.in, you can also simply go on google.com because, Google has all of the answers. So google.com will answer your question because rest assured you will easily find your answers on here. Okay, now so that you will pass the quiz. When you get all of the correct answers and approve you, and then you can start proofreading and earning your $506,200. And that's basically it. Now moving on to our higher paying website, which is highersign.com. And this website would also pay you to work from home and to proofread. Now, what you want to do is scroll down and click on all the current openings, and once you click on that, this is what you should see. They have typing jobs, proofreading jobs, paid survey jobs, graphic design jobs, PowerPoint, presentation jobs, spreadsheet entry jobs, voice recognition jobs, online advertisement, and language translation jobs. Now let's focus on the proofreading jobs. Knocks $5 to $10. So if it's a 5-page, say that's $50 straight off the bat and into your account. So obviously the way to you're going to do this is on through Google Docs, right? And that's how you're going to earn. But if you want to do this on complete autopilot, then you can hire someone else from Fiverr.com to do that work for you so that you can still earn on complete autopilot. You can hire someone else to do the proofreading for you. You could look up proofreaders on Fiverr, and you can hire someone for $5. I will still be earning at least $4 to $5 or $50. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow all these steps that we just showed you and make sure that you follow us properly. And that's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either, and make sure to click the notification. Remember, you can make money today if you take an action. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you at the next one.